Hey techies, I'm Abbas from Coders. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Java and Eclipse IDE on Windows 10 machine. Before that, let me check whether I have installed Java on my machine or not. So for that, I have to open the command prompt and type java-version. And see, Java is not installed in my machine. So to install Java, you have to download JDK. So open your browser and type JDK download. Then click on the first link that appears and click JDK download. And see, if you're using Linux or Mac OS, you can download Java even for that. But I'm using a Windows operating system, so I'm going to download this executable installer file. So click on that to download the file. Now check that box and click download JDK. And you can see the executable file is downloading. Now I'm cancelling this download because I have already downloaded this file, and click on the show in folder to view the file which you have downloaded. Now let me open my file. Now right click the file and click on run as administrator. And now click next. It will take some few minutes or more, but I'm just speeding up the process. Let's wait. And that's all. We have installed Java on our machine. Now let's check on command prompt. So java-version. Even if it is not still installed on your machine, then you have to set the Java path. So for that, you have to open advanced system settings and click on environmental variables and click on path and click on edit and then click on new. And now open this PC and click on local disk C and click on program files, and now click on Java and now click on JDK and bin. Copy this path now and click on new and paste it here. That's all guys, just click OK and OK and just close all those tabs, and now check it on your command prompt. Yes, we have installed Java successfully. Now it's time to download and install Eclipse on our system. So now open your browser and just type Eclipse download and click on the first link that appears. And as I'm using Windows 64-bit, I'm just clicking that download 64-bit button and just download. And that's all. The Eclipse installer started downloading on my PC, but I'm cancelling this because I have already downloaded this file and kept on another folder. So you can just simply click on show in folder to view the file that you have downloaded. And now I'm shifting to the path where I kept the downloaded file. Right click on the Eclipse installer and click on run as administrator. And it will take some time, and even now I have speed up the process. And there are a list of IDEs, but I'm going to choose the second one, that is Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers, because you can also develop Java programs as well as you can develop web applications using Java. And just click on accept and click on launch. So guys, this is a welcome window of Eclipse IDE. Click on the workbench to open the workspace. By default, it will be on the Java EE perspective. We can change it by clicking on the open perspective. Click on Java and click on OK. Now let's create a Hello World program. First click on the create Java project, and I'm naming my project as my project, and click on next and click on finish, and right click on my project and click new and create class, and I'm naming my class as my class and click on finish, and I have created a class. Now I'm creating a main method to execute the program, and guys, just follow this. I will explain about this statement in our future videos. Our main function is done, and inside the main function let me write the print statement in Java, that is system.out.println, and inside the print statement let me write hello world. And now let me execute the program. You can see it has printed hello world. And that's all guys, we'll stop here for today, and also the JDK and the Eclipse installer link will be provided in the description. You can download it by clicking on it. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more programming related videos. Bye.